Do you feel that your budget planning doesn't work well? Don't worry. Today we're exposing common budgeting mistakes that could be sabotaging your financial plans and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Stick around because the last mistake we cover is one you probably never considered. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're all about helping you take control of your finances. Let's start with mistake number 1. Ignoring small expenses. Those daily coffees, snacks, and impulse buys add up. Over a month, they can drain your budget without you even noticing. So what is the solution then? Track every expense no matter how small. Use a budgeting app to monitor your spending and identify where you can cut back. Mistake number 2. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Without a financial cushion, unexpected expenses can derail your budget and force you into debt. Start by setting aside a small amount each month until you have 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved. This fund will give you peace of mind and protect your budget from unforeseen costs. Mistake number 3. Setting unrealistic goals. A budget should challenge you, but it also needs to be achievable. Setting unattainable goals only leads to frustration and failure. Be honest about your spending habits and set goals that stretch you but are still within reach. Gradually adjust your budget as you improve your financial discipline. Mistake number 4. Overlooking non-monthly expenses. Annual or semi-annual costs can catch you off guard if you don't plan for them. Break down these irregular expenses into monthly amounts and set aside that money each month. This way, when the bill arrives, you're prepared. Mistake number 5. Not reviewing your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Neglecting to update it can lead to overspending and missed financial goals. Review your budget at least once a month. Adjust it as needed to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial priorities. Mistake number 6. Failing to prioritize debt repayment. High-interest debt can eat away at your finances, making it harder to achieve your goals. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first while making minimum payments on others. Once a debt is paid off, redirect those funds to the next debt in line. This strategy, known as the debt avalanche method, can help you become debt-free faster. And here's our crucial insight: forgetting to budget for fun. Yes, you heard that right. Not allowing room for entertainment and hobbies can make your budget feel restrictive and lead to burnout. Allocate a reasonable amount for fun activities. This balance keeps you motivated and makes sticking to your budget more sustainable in the long run. So there you have it. Common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. Don't ignore small expenses, build an emergency fund, set realistic goals, account for non-monthly expenses, review your budget regularly, prioritize debt repayment, and don't forget to budget for fun. If you haven't seen our previous videos, be sure to check them out for more valuable tips. And stay tuned for our next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.